Hello teacher, good afternoon. I hope you like my video. My name is Morales Guzman Jair. My life before COVID-19 was great. In fact, at the beginning of the pandemic, it gave me a very ugly depression. Uh, but I got ahead and now I'm happier. Well, now I'm going to say why my life was great before the pandemic. It was great because I went to the movies a lot. Now I don't go to the movies, but now I only watch Netflix. Another thing I did before I was quarantined was go to the parties with my friends. Now I don't go to the parties anymore. Another thing I did was do acrobatic gymnastics, and now I'm going to practice Kung Fu. Another thing I used to do was go out with my parents on vacation to Veracruz, and now I don't go out except to go to the supermarket. Another thing that used to do before the pandemic was to drive my car. And now, due to the pandemic situation, my parents had to sell my car. And another thing that happened to me during this pandemic was that I changed my school shift. Now I'm going to in afternoon, and school is less heavy than in the morning. Also, another thing that I used to do before was go to the malls, and now I don't go to the malls anymore. I also went to the school, bueno, to the Texcoco Park, and now I am not even going to Texcoco. Before the pandemic, I was in a romantic relation, and now I no longer have any relation. Well, finally, another thing I did before the pandemic was have a good time with my friends, and now I barely talk to them. In conclusion, I want to return to normal classes and the normal life that we all had. Y eso sería todo. Gracias, profesor. Thanks.